Hello. I am AI anchor Sana. Let's have a look on AI and tech update. CEO Sam Altman reflects on the final moments before ChatGPT's launch 1 year ago, hinting at the team's late-night efforts to finalize the innovative language model. Altman marvels at the remarkable journey ChatGPT has undergone in the transformative year since its launch. Since its launch, ChatGPT has emerged as a significant player in language models, leaving a notable impact across diverse industries and demonstrating the potential of advanced language technology. As ChatGPT marks its first birthday, the tweet mentions the excitement and challenges encountered by the team throughout this period. A year ago tonight, we were likely putting the finishing touches on ChatGPT before its launch the next morning. What a year it's been, stated OpenAI CEO in his tweet. Here are top ChatGPT innovations that helped us get our tasks simpler this year. 1. Text-to-image generation model. OpenAI introduces DALL-E 3, the latest text-to-image generation model, integrated with ChatGPT. Users can now craft nuanced prompts to create vivid images with improved accuracy, addressing previous challenges. DALL-E 3 promises significant enhancements over its predecessor, DALL-E 2, and users have the freedom to reproduce, sell, or merchandise images without seeking OpenAI's permission. 2. Can ChatGPT be a therapist? Lillian Wang's emotional satisfaction with ChatGPT sparks controversy, with critics expressing concerns about trivializing mental well-being. Activist Chair Scarlett emphasizes the unique depth of human therapeutic sessions amid a growing market for AI apps in mental health support. MIT and Arizona State University research reveals that individuals' perceptions significantly impact their experience with mental health AI tools. Those primed to believe in a compassionate chatbot perceive it as more trustworthy, highlighting the nuanced nature of human-AI interactions. 3. New tools for enterprises. OpenAI releases a major update to ChatGPT Plus, bringing features from the enterprise plan to enhance user experience. Users can now upload various file formats, including PDFs, allowing ChatGPT to analyze and extract information. Automatic tool switching has been introduced, eliminating the need for manual transitions between tools like browsing and code interpreter. These updates aim to streamline interactions and improve accessibility for ChatGPT Plus subscribers. 4. Create own ChatGPT versions with no codes. OpenAI introduces the ability for users to create custom versions of ChatGPT, known as GPTs, tailored for specific purposes like teaching math or designing stickers. These models can be shared publicly, promoting collaboration and diversity. OpenAI also plans to launch a GPT store, allowing verified developers to monetize their custom GPT offerings, enhancing the tool's versatility and accessibility. 5. ChatGPT gets sound features. OpenAI expands the ChatGPT voice feature to all free users, offering 5 distinct voices created by professional actors. Initially available for paid users, this enhancement, using the Whisper speech recognition system, transforms the ChatGPT experience by transcribing spoken words into text.